Hi there, looking for a new way to whiten your teeth that isn't putting those uncomfortable strips over your teeth and sleeping with them all night, and you don't want to waste your money at the dentist? You got to try this great little LED light activated teeth whitening kit. So it is used primarily with the LED light to whiten your teeth. So that is very different than the white strips. They do not use light. So love that about this. It comes with 5 of the gel pens that you use. It's a remineralizing gel pen, and it gives you the perfect amount. You click each time, so you don't have to worry about using too much or too little. You do 2 clicks. The first time it recommends just 1, but generally you're just going to do 2 clicks, and then you paint it over your teeth, avoiding your gums. Then you put this little mouth guard in. Press the light like that, and you sit for 10 to 30 minutes. You just bite down on it, and you allow the LED light to activate the gel and whiten your teeth. So after 10 minutes, the light will dim and turn off, but you can just click it back on. You can do up to 30 minutes and watch your teeth whiten. Got to try it out. It's just a great, much less expensive than going to the dentist, and a great way to try to whiten your teeth at home more comfortably. Thanks.